Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you a secret. This story is simple, but very powerful. Many people try to learn English every year. Most of them fail and feel very sad. They think English is too hard for them. But the real problem is not English. The problem is a secret nobody talks about. If you know this secret, English becomes easy. Please listen carefully until the very end. This story can change how you learn English. Part 1. The Problems. This is a story about a young man. His name is Adam, and he is very normal. Adam wanted to learn English for many years. He watched many videos and used many apps. Every day, he started with strong motivation. After 1 week, he felt tired and confused. Grammar rules made his head hurt every day. New words came fast and left very fast. Adam felt stupid and started to lose hope. He asked himself, "Why can't I learn English?" His friends said, "English is not for you." Some people laughed when he spoke English wrong. Adam felt shy and stopped speaking completely. He only read and listened and never spoke again. Months passed, but his English stayed very weak. Adam felt angry at himself every night. He prayed and asked God for help. He said, "Please show me the right way." Part 2. Wrong ways people learn English. Many people learn English in the wrong way. They start with grammar rules from day one. They try to remember too many words daily. They study English like a school exam. But language is not math or science. Language is a skill, like walking or driving. You cannot learn driving by reading books only. You must practice again and again, slowly. Adam watched people who learned English well. They were not smarter than other people. They did not know more grammar rules, but they used English every single day. They made many mistakes and did not care. They enjoyed the process, not the result. Adam started to think very deeply. Maybe English needs a different way. One day, Adam found the real secret. The secret was very simple, not magic. The secret was daily, simple English habits. Not long study, not hard study, just daily. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours. Your brain loves small steps, not big pressure. Adam stopped learning English like a subject. He started living English like a daily habit. He listened to easy English stories daily. He repeated simple sentences out loud. He talked to himself in English every morning. He did not care about mistakes anymore. Mistakes became his best teachers. Adam chose one easy story every day. He listened, read, and repeated slowly. He used the same words many times. Slow repetition made his brain feel safe. After 1 month, something changed inside him. English started to feel familiar and friendly. Part 4. Small habits that changed everything. Adam created a very simple daily routine. Morning, listen to English for 10 minutes. Afternoon, read a short English story. Evening, speak alone for 5 minutes. No pressure, no stress, no long plans. He stopped asking, "When will I be fluent?" He started asking, "Did I practice today?" This question changed his full mindset. Some days were bad, some days were good, but Adam never stopped his small habit. Slowly, his listening became much better. Words started to sound clear and familiar. He understood simple sentences without thinking. People noticed his confidence growing slowly. Adam smiled more when he spoke English. Fear left his heart step by step. Part 5. The Result and the Message. After 6 months, Adam was a new person. Not perfect, but confident and calm. English was no longer his enemy. It became a useful tool for his life. Adam thanked God for guiding him. This secret is simple but very powerful. English loves patience, not speed. English loves habits, not motivation only. If you do small steps every day, you win. Remember this secret for your journey. Learn English slowly, daily, and with peace. Do not compare yourself with other people. Your path is different, and that is okay. Thank you for listening until the end.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.